नमस्कार, जोहार। सही बात है, विताशी एंड मोहित में आप सबका एक बार फिर से बहुत स्वागत है। आज एक बार फिर एक बहुत कम आयु की अतिथि हमारे साथ जुड़ रही हैं, लेकिन अ, इनका परिचय मैं दूं उससे पहले मैं ये बता दूं कि मात्र 9 वर्ष की इनकी इनकी आयु है, लेकिन इसे इन्हें पौराणिक विशेषज्ञ की उपाधि मिली हुई है। और मिले भी क्यों ना, इन्होंने बहुत सारे ग्रंथों का अध्ययन किया हुआ है। इनकी धार्मिक समझ जो है बहुत स्पष्ट है। हम बात करें श्रीमद् भगवत गीता की, पुराणों की, तो बहुत ज्ञान रखती है इन इन सभी ग्रंथों का ये। तो आइए अधिक समय नहीं लेते हुए हमारी रांची की धरती में हम स्वागत करते हैं सुश्री परिधि मंगलम पल्ली जी का। तो बहुत बहुत स्वागत है परिधि आपका। और आप पहली बार रांची आई हैं?
यस
यार,
यस
कैसा लग रहा है यहाँ पे?
यहाँ पे इट्स लाइक क्योंकि मम्मी आई है इधर, क्योंकि मम्मी का डांस कंपटीशन वो सब इधर ही होता था।
अच्छा।
तो अ, तो मैं आई इधर और मैं होटल में आई और फिर इधर आज सुबह ही आए हम लोग। तो अच्छा लगा, इट्स वेरी नाइस। और एकदम काम है, एकदम मुंबई एकदम पूरा हसिल होता है इधर पूरा। नीचे घर के अंदर भी पूरा हॉर्न आवाज आ रहा है पूरा वो सब। तो पूरा एकदम साइलेंस हो गया पूरा कान में और अच्छा लग रहा है वैसे थोड़ा
वाह
शांत
वाह,
वैसे।
बहुत अच्छा। तो परिधि, हम सब आपको जानते हैं, इनफैक्ट पूरा देश आपको जानता है। जो आपका इंक्लिनेशन है टुवर्ड्स धर्म, धर्म को जिस हिसाब से आप समझती हैं, आप हमारे जो रिलीजियस टेक्सचर्स हैं उनका अध्ययन करती हैं। तो एंड यू आर जस्ट 10। ये आपने मुझे अभी थोड़ी देर पहले करेक्ट किया कि यू आर नॉट 9 एनी मोर, यू आर 10 नाउ। सिर्फ 10 साल की उम्र में, 10 साल की, 10 वर्ष की आयु में आप इतना कुछ पढ़ रही हैं, समझ रही हैं। सबसे पहले तो ये इंक्लिनेशन कैसे हुआ?
सो यू सी, वो कार्टून्स आते थे बचपन में एंड इवन टिल आई वाज 4 आई यूज्ड टू वॉच दोस कार्टून्स। पहले it was like I had no option because I was 2. How am I supposed to know the names of different cartoons? So वो देखती थी, then धीरे धीरे करके I started watching more videos on like अलग अलग genres. And when I had no option, like net नहीं है वैसे type का option, I used to watch the same cartoons. But after my third birthday, my mom and dad gifted me, my mother gifted me a Ramayana for kids.
अच्छा।
A few months after that, my parents got me a Mahabharat for kids and a like 125 stories of Lord Krishna for kids. I still have those books at home
वाह।
as proof that I have them at home. I have every single one of my old books preserved properly. And दो shelves है मेरे. One is
अच्छा।
with all the older books and one is with the newer books. But तो ये बुक्स ऐसे होते होते देन आई गॉट मोर ऑथेंटिक वर्जन्स और मोर complex versions because these kids versions they just simplify everything for our understanding. But
बिल्कुल।
after some time धीरे धीरे करके I got the most authentic version I know of until now, and it is of Purna Prajna Dasiji. My mother got me Ramayana of Purna Prajna Dasiji, and my father got me the Mahabharata. Along with that, by Ami ji herself, I got Ami Ganatra's books on Ramayana and Mahabharata. And we are still in touch with her. We still ask her for advice on like ये बोलना है, ये नहीं बोलना है. And there is one more person, Gauranga Darshan Das ji.
Okay.
And actually I used to watch his videos, and then we got a message from him. My dad told me we got a message from him on Instagram, and he actually sent us an entire box of books. And it was story था मेरा Instagram पे, and I was showing each book, and I took one of them to school, and my friend also read with me that book. So एकदम अच्छा लगा हुआ. Those books are literally kept in such good condition. Those books एकदम carefully रखा है मैंने. And the one I've
It's
read,
been 6 to 7 years now. आपने उसको संभाल के
हाँ,
रखा है।
बट गौरंग दर्शन दास जी का बुक्स इसी साल आए, बट
अच्छा।
स्टिल दोज बुक्स आर इन परफेक्ट कंडीशन. लाइक एक पाइल में है इधर एंड इधर, इट्स लाइक दैट एंड इट लुक्स लाइक वेरी, अरे बाप रे, टाइप्स ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइज्ड.
अच्छा, मुझे ये बताओ परिधि कि आप जो बुक्स का अध्ययन कर रही हो, एमी गिनात्रा जी, वी ऑल नो शी इज अ रिलीजियस स्कॉलर, उन्होंने उनके वर्जन्स तो इंग्लिश में आते हैं, बट जो आप बाकी के ग्रंथों का अध्ययन कर रही हैं वो संस्कृत में ही कर रही हैं या उनके आप ट्रांसलेशंस पढ़ती हैं? जस्ट फॉर नॉलेज.
They are translations, but it's not like they are like completely plain English. Like for example, अगर राम लिख रहे हैं,
हाँ जी.
so the R के बाद जो A आता है, it will have that line on top. So those Sanskrit matras are there on the
Okay.
English that, and of course words from Sanskrit like dharma, adharma, parva, sabha. It's not chapter or book. पर्व, आदि पर्व,
आदि पर्व.
सब सभा पर्व. सो
जी हाँ.
ऐसे पूरा इट्स केप्ट लाइक दैट.
ओके ओके. तो रामायण और महाभारत ये दो हमारे ऐतिहासिक पुस्तक हैं, इन्हें हम इतिहास भी कहते हैं. आपको ज्यादा रामायण और महाभारत में ज्यादा अच्छा कौन सा ग्रंथ लगता है?
दे बोथ टीच डिफरेंट थिंग्स. इफ यू आर आस्किंग कि ह्यूमन कंडक्ट के अनुसार इट विल बी रामायण, बट a lesson on how to live महाभारत.
वाह.
So it depends.
वाह. थोड़ा सा हम आपसे हम परिधि का जो पर्सपेक्टिव है ऑफ रामायण हम वो समझना चाहेंगे. परिधि थोड़ा सा रामायण के विषय में बातें करें.
तो आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर मेरा पहला पॉडकास्ट जो हुआ था, इट वाज विद सिड चाचू. Still in touch with Sid Chachu. Still we are very close with Sid Chachu. So that first podcast was of Ramayana. जो मेरा पर्सपेक्टिव चेंज हुआ है इतना, because I read The Forest of Enchantments by Chitra Banerjee Divakaruni.
Okay.
So her book, it is a very beautiful book, very beautiful. It shows the entire Ramayana from the perspective of Sita. But although it is a very beautiful book, it is not authentic. And there were many things that were tweaked. Even though it was, no hate to that book, it is an absolutely beautiful book. So that one book, like, it made me dislike Ram. Because usme it shows how Devi Sita was banished off to the forest. And then she was forced to go through another Agni Pariksha, and तो पूरा I felt very like अरे बाप रे, how are you doing this type? But now it has changed. I have finally learned how to have empathy for Sita and understanding for Ram at the same time. Because both had their own choices. Although it was wrong, it was very wrong. I still stand by this one thing. It was very wrong to banish Sita into the forest.
Okay.
Everybody had their own reasons for their decisions in this entire book, and no hate to anyone for that.
अच्छा, रामायण के बहुत सारे संस्करण हैं. देयर आर डिफरेंट वर्जन्स, लाइक कंब रामायण है, फिर महर्षि वाल्मीकि जी की रामायण है. इन सब में से आपने कितनों का अध्ययन किया है परिधि?
आई वॉन्ट टू रीड. मुझे वो जो कंबन रामायण, अद्भुत रामायण, वो सब मुझे पढ़ने हैं.
हाँ जी.
लेकिन आई हैव नॉट गॉट देम येट. तो अभी तक तो वाल्मीकि रामायण ही पढ़ा है, एंड इफ वी आर काउंटिंग फॉरेस्ट ऑफ एन्चेंटमेंट्स तो वो भी पढ़ा है. सो
परिधि, रामायण का कोई एक प्रसंग जो आपको जो बहुत ज्यादा प्रभावित करता है, इंस्पायर करता है, जो बच्चे या बड़े भी फॉर दैट मैटर सुन रहे हैं, उनको आप बताना चाहेंगे?
अ मोरल.
हाँ, a moral from Ramayana. Might be a story taken from Ramayana.
So it is that karma. Karma, like, you know how अगर एक वो अग्नि जल रही है, so whatever is in its path, it will burn that. But that was not always the case. This is a folklore. I don't think it's in the original Ramayana, but I still like the story as an example to show people that if you go too far, so it is that दशरथ जी की मृत्यु के बाद
जी
जो Sri Ram, he was very devastated because it was his father and he was in exile at that time.
ओके
तो अभी उनका लास्ट राइट्स का जो पूजा है वो उनको परफॉर्म करना है बिकॉज ही इज द एल्डेस्ट बट ही डजंट हैव द रिसोर्सेज because he's off in the middle of the forest,
Yes.
way far from Ayodhya, and he can't even go back because of the laws of the exile.
करेक्ट
तो वो और लक्ष्मण जी सीता देवी को बोले कि वी आर कमिंग बैक, यू स्टे हियर एंड वी विल गेट सम रिसोर्सेज फ्रॉम सम नियर बाय विलेज. सो शी वाज लाइक ओके. अभी द ऑस्पिशियस टाइम, वो जो मुहूर्त था, इट वाज पासिंग. So she was like, I better do the rites myself before they come back so that the auspicious time is not gone. So she bathed in the river of Halguna.
फल्गु
So then she came out, she milked a cow, she lit a mud diya, she plucked a banyan leaf and a flower. That flower, I don't remember the name, but that flower was the same flower that Brahma had used.
केतकी
हाँ, Ketaki, हाँ. Thank you, I forgot the name. Wait, so the Ketaki flower. So that flower she plucked and उससे उन्होंने पूरा वो पूजा किया and दशरथ की आवाज आई. She was shocked. अरे ये सफल भी हो गया. And he was like, thank you have pleased me. And so she was like, your sons won't believe me that I have already done the puja. So he said, you have 5 witnesses. Agni, because you lit a diya. The river, because you bathed in it. Ketaki, because you had plucked it. The banyan leaf, because you had plucked that. And the cow, because you had used milk. So she was like, okay. So Shri Ram came back. She told them कि वो हो गया है पूजा. They didn't believe her. Then she was like, can you not, will you not believe your own wife? He was like, I will, but others may not. So he began doing the puja all over again. And Dashrath की आवाज वापस आई. Why are you invoking me again? Sita has already done the puja. And before that, Rama had asked all the witnesses, has Sita done the puja? Ketaki said no. Agni Deva said no. The cow said no. And believe it or not, even the river said no. So 4 out of the 5 said no. But the banyan tree said, Devi Sita has performed this puja. So after Sri Ram invoked, Dashrath was like, why are you invoking me again? The puja is done. And he was like, but the witnesses say that puja nahi hua hai. So Dashrath is like, witnesses jo bole, how will you not believe Sita? So at that very day, Sita Devi forgave Ram and Lakshman. But she cursed the 4 witnesses. She cursed Agni Dev that anything be pure or impure, you will have to take it within yourself as you move. She cursed the river that you will soon sink into the hell hiding your face in shame. She cursed the flower that you will no longer be used for any puja, not just Mahadev's. And finally she cursed the cow that although you are a holy animal, your mouth will be seen as impure. So these 4 curses, I don't know about the last one, but these 4 curses, as far as I know, are very still being
yes.
respected.
Yes.
So yes.
So true. Wow. बहुत सुंदर, बहुत सुंदर. और आपको पता है परिधि, यहाँ से सिर्फ 4 घंटे की दूरी पे वो स्थान है जहाँ की ये कहानी है. ये गया की कहानी है, गया जी की. It was practiced there. ये उसी स्थान पे ये किया जा रहा था. So it is just 4 hours from this city where we are sitting in right now. तो अब थोड़ा सा हम त्रेता युग से द्वापर युग की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. और आपसे द्वापर युग की कहानी के बारे में जानेंगे। हमारा एक और इतिहास है महाभारत, और हम आपको अक्सर सुनते रहते हैं महाभारत की कहानियों को बताते हुए। तो महाभारत का क्या प्रभाव है आप पे परिधि? हाउ डू यू सी इट?
महाभारत अगेन इज अ बुक जिसपे मल्टीपल फैसेट्स है. If you see from Ashwatthama's point of view, you will see it differently. If you see it from the Pandavas' point of view, you will see it differently. And if you see it, this is very important. If you see it from Panchali's point of view, it is extremely different. So again, by the same author, Chitra Banerjee Divakaruni, I had read the book Mahabharat from Panchali's point of view.
Okay.
It is called The Paris of Illusions. It is a very famous book. So again, that was a book that is not entirely authentic. There are many things, two of which I can confirm are not true, 2 to 3 of which I can confirm are not true. And I'll not mention them because it will be like demeaning the book, and I don't want to do that. It's a beautiful book.
True.
So these things, uske alawa, everything in that book is very beautiful, very beautiful. So in the Mahabharata, there are so many lessons taught. It is hard to see what this book, this entire thing has happened for. But there is very, very important lesson, one very important lesson, and that is control your greed. Because Duryodhan का जो एकदम ऐसे आग मचा था when he saw that his cousins are well and alive, they're flourishing, and he had sent him to Khandava Prastha. There it was desert, fully desert. It was turned into Indraprastha.
बिल्कुल.
And that magic, there was some sort of magic that the Pandavas had done, because there is also a demon called Maya who helped the Pandavas build their palace, and it was a very beautiful, very huge palace, and it has this feature that you will get like them confused. You know that story, Andhe ka putra andha wala? That story is false.
Okay.
So when Duryodhan fell into the pool of water, there wasn't specifically anything that Panchali had said, Andhe ka putra andha. Anybody, in fact, had pointed out that disability. Yes, the Pandavas had laughed at him, but nobody had made such a comment. Duryodhan names the people, and he includes Bhim amongst Bhim, Nakul and Sahadev amongst the people who laughed at him. But yes, that's it.
वाओ. परिधि, हमने त्रेता युग और त्रेता युग के इतिहास के विषय में बातें की, रामायण के विषय में बातें की. थोड़ा एक युग आगे बढ़ते हैं, महाभारत युग में चलते हैं, और महाभारत के विषय में भी आप बहुत सारी बातें करती हैं. आपने हमें बहुत कुछ बताया भी. महाभारत के ही भीष्म पर्व में श्रीमद् भगवद गीता का पूरा प्रसंग आता है, जो भगवान श्री कृष्ण अर्जुन को उपदेश दे रहे होते हैं, और हमने आपको उस विषय में भी बात करते हुए बहुत सुना है. तो हम सब जानते हैं कि इट इज द बेस्ट ह्यूमन गाइड बुक एवर नोन. तो हम आपसे जानना चाहेंगे परिधि कि आपका क्या पर्सपेक्टिव है, आप किस परिप्रेक्ष्य से देखते हैं श्रीमद् भगवद गीता जी को?
श्रीमद् भगवद गीता जितने बार पढ़ोगे उतने बार पर्सपेक्टिव चेंज होता है. सीरियसली मैंने 8-9 बार पढ़ चुके. इट इज लिटरली द मोस्ट यूनिक बुक इन दिस एंटायर वर्ल्ड, क्योंकि श्रीमद् भगवद गीता इट्स दैट काइंड ऑफ बुक which the more you read, the less you understand. So it's like जितना पढ़ा, you want to read it more. You want to find out more. You want to research more. So this is the magic of the Gita. It shows you a world and it keeps opening it to the point where you're confused. And as for Mahabharat, Mahabharat mein there are multiple stories, and one of the saddest of them is the death of Krishna. But there is a connection between Treta Yuga and this one moment.
Okay.
So in Treta Yuga, जब श्री राम और सुग्रीव की वो वादा होता है कि आई विल हेल्प यू बाय हुक और बाय क्रुक, आई विल हेल्प यू डिफीट वाली, एंड सुग्रीव ने बोला कि आई विल हेल्प यू फाइंड सीता देवी. तो श्री राम के ने पेड़ के पीछे से वाली पे तीर मारा.
जी.
अभी ये जो कहानी है, इट शोज अस नॉट इवन गॉड्स आर सेफ फ्रॉम धर्म. तो जो वाली है, इन द नेक्स्ट लाइफ ही वाज रिबॉर्न एज जरा,
अच्छा.
and Rama was obviously reborn as Krishna. So this hunter Jara, he saw something red. He thought it to be a prey and he hit it. What he didn't know was that that was the sole of the foot of Vasudev. तो ये अभी तीर उन पे लगा, and he, because Krishna knew कि this is my time on earth is over. Now it's time for me to go back to Vaikuntha. तो उसके लिए वो तीर वो उन्होंने लगने दिया. Even though he had the entire power of the universe to stop that arrow from hitting his foot, he didn't, because he knew his time on earth was over. अभी उनको जाना है. He'll come back in the next Yuga. Until then, this is it. So Jara came and he's like, oh my God, I'm so sorry, I'm so sorry. And फिर Sri Krishna explains, this is karma, because I hit you from behind a tree. And now I am being killed in the same manner.
Same.
But this teaches us that karma is so precise. Even if it is after lives, it happens. And this is the beauty of karma.
Absolutely. बहुत सुंदर, बहुत सुंदर परिधि. और बहुत समय आपका नहीं लेंगे. हम जानते हैं आप लगातार ट्रैवल करती हैं और लगातार आप स्टेज पे सेशंस देती हैं. हालांकि आप आयु में बहुत छोटी हैं, लेकिन आप ज्ञान में, विद्या में बहुत बड़ी हैं. हम चाहेंगे कोई एक संदेश दें आप ही के जैसे बच्चों के लिए या हम जैसे युवाओं के लिए. कोई एक संदेश, अ मैसेज दैट यू वांट टू कन्वे.
Never stop learning. This is the motto that one should live by. Because no matter what you are providing to the world, you will always find something new. For example, I am a very, very deep Vishnu Bhakt. I love Lord Vishnu a lot. Like, if I showed you, my mother's phone, I use that for all my schoolwork and everything. I have one wallpaper for my mother's old phone, it was Sri Krishna, and one wallpaper on her new phone, it is still Sri Krishna.
Okay.
That is the level. And my friend, me and my friends, we message each other. Our group name is literally Sakhis.
अरे वाह.
We are all collectively, we are Vishnu Bhakts and Shiv Bhakts.
क्या बात.
Collectively. But it's not that I am like very only into this. I am still learning more. I'm still watching more. Like, for example, this is not very well known. I like Marvel a lot.
Okay.
I like Marvel a lot. I like Harry Potter a lot. I love Sri Krishna a lot. That is already well known. So all of this, it is because I don't stop learning. I don't want to stop learning.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है परिधि. परिधि, बच्चों से यूजुअली पूछा जाता है कि मम्मी ज्यादा अच्छे लगते हैं या पापा ज्यादा अच्छे लगते हैं. आपसे मैं ये क्वेश्चन थोड़ा अलग तरीके से पूछूंगा. आपको कृष्ण ज्यादा अच्छे लगते हैं या शिव ज्यादा अच्छे लगते हैं?
शिव जी और श्री कृष्ण के their impact on my life, their impact on my life is very different. I am a dancer, and the god of dance is a form of Shiva, Nataraja.
बिल्कुल.
And Nataraj, you know, this is very true. Any dance studio you go to, either there will be a photo or a statue of Lord Nataraj. Even in the competitions, stage pe, there is side pe one Nataraj Murti, one Ganpati Murti. Because he is that respected. Krishna, his impact on my dance is also very deep, but his impact is mostly over here. Not over here, over here. and but both have an impact both ways. But yes,
वाओ,
it's like same but different.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है। अंत करेंगे, वी वुड लाइक टू एंड इट हियर विद योर फेवरेट भगवत गीता श्लोका। कोई अगर श्लोक जो आप सबको बताना
It's
चाहते
hard to
सुनाना
choose because they all have like different meanings. They all teach us something different. But if I have to choose, it would be यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानं धर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे. It means that whenever righteousness takes a decline, whenever unrighteousness begins to grow, I come on earth, O Bharata, to maintain balance, to protect the good, to destroy the wicked, and to re-establish dharma. I come, I manifest age after age.
थैंक यू, क्या बात है, बहुत सुंदर, थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you.
थैंक यू परिधि, जय श्री कृष्ण।
राधे राधे, जय श्री कृष्ण.
राधे राधे।